Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew. I've not made a video in a long time. The vlog is still going to go up, but it is. I don't know how. Guys, and hold off the vlogs until the summertime. I have more time to vlog. So I won't be at school, so I can have more time to vlog. And but still make weekend video like this. I might not do a vlog. I can't do a mini vlog where I'm doing a vlog, but I call this a vlog. But where I tell them what happened during the week. A weekend. I'm trying to the Saturday, upload a Saturday. Okay, that's my new plan. I think I'm gonna do a webcam capture for me just sitting here. And then in the summertime do real vlogs. So then it's gonna be a mini vlog, so it's gonna be a mini vlog 1. Okay? And then that might continue next year. So probably vlog but I'm gonna do it, okay? Because I feel like making videos, but I don't have a lot of time. So, thank you for liking, commenting, you know what. So this is gonna be mini vlog 1, and then Saturday will be mini vlog 2.